Today on the channel, we are doing a step-by-step spot trading tutorial on the BYDFi exchange. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started with spot trading on BYDFi, from placing trades to understanding key tools and features on the platform. If you want to receive a welcome bonus, I recommend you create a BYDFi account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive welcome bonuses. To start our spot trading tutorial, the first thing we want to do is make sure we have funds in the right account. So we're going to head up to the top and hover over the wallet icon and click on Overview. Here we can see we have funds in our USDM account. We want it in our spot account. So we're just going to head to the top right and click Transfer. Make sure we are transferring from USDM to spot. And we are going to transfer 200 USDT. We can now see we have all of our funds, well, pretty much all of our funds in our spot account. If you aren't sure how to deposit crypto into BYDFi, we have previously made a video on this, so I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in this video's description. The next thing we want to do is look at the trading fees on BYDFi. So we're going to head back to the main page by clicking on the top left icon. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And under service, we're going to click on VIP service. And scrolling down a bit, we can see the spot fee rate. Exchanges usually charge two types of trading fees, maker fees and taker fees. Maker fees apply when you place a limit order, while taker fees apply when you execute a market order. On BYDFi, both the taker and the maker fee are 0.1%. Next, we can head to spot trading. So on the top, we can see trade. Hover over that and then click on spot trading. On the top left of the spot trading dashboard is where we can choose the token that we want to trade/purchase. BYDFi has lots of tokens to choose from, and they even have categories that you can look at. So you can look at meme coins, RWA assets, layer 2s. It just depends what type of tokens you are looking for. For this tutorial, we will be trading/buying Bitcoin. Next, we can take a quick look at the trading view chart. This is where you can analyze the price before placing a spot trade. You can change the time frame depending on how zoomed in or zoomed out you want it to be. For example, a 1-minute chart shows short-term movement, while a 1-day chart gives you a bigger picture view. We're going to keep the chart at 1 hour. You also have drawing tools on the left-hand side. You can just click this little icon here on the bottom left, and it will bring out all the drawing tools. These tools are useful for marking support, resistance, and trend lines. If you want to add extra analysis, you could head to the Indicator tab. Here's where you can find indicators like moving averages, the RSI, or MACD. You can also customize how the chart looks by changing the candles to bars, or a line, baseline, really whatever you like. But for this tutorial, we're going to keep it on candles. Lastly, at the bottom, this is where you can see a trading volume. This shows how much trading activity happened during each candle. On the right-hand side, we have something called the order book. It shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. The green represents buy orders and the red represents sell orders. The order book can help traders see supply and demand at different price levels, while also giving you a sense of the asset's liquidity, meaning how much buying and selling interest there is at each price. To the right of the order book, we have the recent trade section. This shows real-time transactions happening in the market. Each trade gives you insight into the current price action and market momentum. On the top right of the page is where we can find the settings. Here is where you can kind of customize your dashboard. So we have color preference and color mode. I can change the color from green and red to red and green. Doesn't really matter much. And we have different colors. We have traditional, fresh, so it'd be red and blue, or I think yellow and blue. Yeah, yellow and blue. We're going to leave it though at traditional as I like it better. We have under layout, trading mode, and we only have one layout option. We also have watch mode. Watch mode is a useful tool because it lets traders monitor multiple charts side by side. Instead of switching between different tabs or trading pairs, you can compare price movement in real time. So we have an option between 2 to 6 charts. we're just going to click to charts. Traders might use a watch mode to watch BTC and ETH together. So I have BTC and BTC, so I can just click here to change to ETH. We can use it to compare tokens, or you can also use it to view the same token on different time frames. So if I did have both BTC, I can look at it on different time frames. So maybe on the right, I want to look closer at the 1 minute chart, and on the left, I want to see a longer trend. So we want to look at the 1 day. I can use the shorter time frame to plan short-term entries, while the longer time frame to just understand the bigger trend of the asset. Overall, this helps you stay organized and react faster and get a better view of what's happening in the market. Next, we're going to look at all the order types that we have on BYDFi. So let's head back to our spot trading dashboard. And first, we have a market order. A market order is the fastest option. It buys or sells instantly at the best available price, but the final price can be slightly different depending on liquidity. To the left, we have a limit order. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. The order will only fail if the market reaches your price. We next have 3 more advanced orders. We have a stop limit order, a stop market order, and an OCO order. A stop market order is an order that only activates once the price reaches your trigger price. Once triggered, it becomes a market order, meaning it will buy or sell immediately at the best available price. So for example, if Bitcoin is trading at 78,000 and you set a stop market buy at 79,000, your order won't do anything until Bitcoin reaches 79,000. Once it does, BYDFi will place a market buy order and you will get into the trade right away. A stop limit order also uses a trigger price, but once that trigger is hit, it places a limit order instead of a market order. So using the same example, if Bitcoin is at 78,000, you could set a trigger price at 79,000, but set your limit price at 79,050. Once Bitcoin hits 79,000, BYDFi places a limit order to buy at 79.50 or better. The main difference is a stop market focuses on getting your order filled quickly, while a stop limit gives you more price control. But with the stop limit, there is a chance your order doesn't fill if the price moves too fast. So that's a nice little summary for both of our stop orders. Lastly, we have an OCO order. OCO stands for one cancels the other. It lets you set a take profit and a stop loss at the same time. If one order gets triggered, the other one is automatically canceled. Traders use a take profit and stop loss to set a clear exit plan before entering a trade. A take profit is used to close the trade at a target price, so you can secure gains if the market moves in your favor. A stop loss is used to close the trade if the market moves against you, so you can limit how much you lose on that position. So together they help define both sides of the trade, your potential reward, and your maximum risk. I'm going to show you how to set a take profit and a stop loss a bit later on in the video. So just to summarize our orders, market is for speed, limit is for price control, stop orders are for trigger entries or exits, and OCO is useful for managing both your upside and downside in one setup. Now for this video, we are going to use a market order because it's the simplest and fastest way to place a trade. We are going to buy BTC with our full account balance, so that is 200 USDT. Now before we make our purchase, we can see there's a setting here that says auto break even. Right now we have it off. Auto break even is a shortcut that helps you get your original money back if the trade goes up enough. So after you buy, BYDFi automatically sets a sell order. If the price doubles, it will sell half of your tokens. That means that you'll get back what you first put in, and you'll still keep the other half. So basically, it helps you take out your starting money while staying in the trade. We're not going to use this setting, but I thought I would explain it anyway. We are going to buy BTC, and it was a successful purchase. As we can see under our assets, we have BTC now. Next, I'm going to show you how to manage our risk. So we're going to set a take profit and a stop loss. We are going to switch from buy to sell. And for our take profit price, if Bitcoin hits, let's say 120,000, I'll be more than happy to sell my position and take my profits. For our stop loss, I want to protect my position if Bitcoin goes past 50,000. So again, that would mean if it goes past 50,000, we will be fully sold out of our position and we would just take our losses. So we've set our take profit and stop loss price, and we are going to sell our full position if either price is hit, and we can click sell BTC, and we can confirm. We can now scroll down and look under our open orders, and we can see both our stop limit and our take profit order. If we wanted to cancel our orders, we can cancel them individually or just click cancel all and confirm that. To close our position, we can just go back to market and make sure we are in sell our full balance, and click sell BTC. We can see under our assets on the bottom right, this wasn't the best trade for us as we did get eaten up by the trading fees a bit, but hopefully this gave you a clear understanding of how to buy and sell crypto, use different order types, and navigate the platform with confidence. If you want to receive a welcome bonus when signing up to BYDFi, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.